Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using the tool. Paperpile is a powerful reference management tool specifically designed for researchers and academics. It seamlessly integrates with Google Docs and Google Scholar, making it incredibly convenient for writing and citing academic papers. Paperpile allows you to organize your research library, collaborate with colleagues, and format citations in various styles effortlessly. One of the key features of Paperpile is its ability to directly import PDFs of research papers. This simplifies the process of building your library and ensures you have access to your resources offline. Paperpile also boasts a robust search functionality, allowing you to quickly find specific papers within your collection. You can search by keywords, authors, journals, or even within the full text of your PDFs. Furthermore, Paperpile offers a citation tool that works within Google Docs, allowing you to add citations and generate bibliographies as you write. This real-time integration streamlines the writing process and helps maintain consistency in your citations. The software supports a wide range of citation styles, including APA, MLA, Chicago, and more, ensuring compatibility with various academic requirements. With automatic updates to citation styles, you can be confident your bibliographies are always accurate and up to date. Another valuable aspect of Paperpile is its collaborative features. Researchers can share their libraries with colleagues, enabling seamless teamwork and efficient knowledge sharing. This is particularly useful for co-authoring papers or working on group projects. Beyond its core features, Paperpile provides additional functionalities, such as the ability to annotate PDFs directly within the application. This allows you to highlight important passages, add notes, and keep all your research insights organized in one place. Paperpile's mobile app also enables you to access your library and annotations on the go, making it a truly versatile tool for researchers. Paperpile also offers integration with other services, further extending its functionality and making it a central hub for managing your research. With its intuitive interface and comprehensive features, Paperpile is a valuable tool for anyone involved in academic research and writing.